Thank you for serving as a field instructor for the Arizona State University School of Social Work. My name is Elizabeth Hayward. As the data analyst for the School of Social Work Field Education team, I will be introducing you to our IPT, Intern Placement Tracking System. We use this system to track student field placements and retain historical field placement information. In this video, I will focus on accessing the Intern Placement Tracking System and how to begin working with this database. The ASU School of Social Work implemented the web-based Intern Placement Tracking, or IPT system, in the fall of 2015. As we work with the capabilities and functions of the software, we are continuing to add information and build features to meet the needs of students, agencies, and the School of Social Work. IPT is a web-based system. You can use it on any computer, Mac, or PC with internet access. There is no need to download or install any software. The data located within the system is secure and not available to the public. The information you provide is password protected and is available to the social work field education team. This online system facilitates the completion of forms and communication between students, field instructors, faculty and community liaisons, and the field education team at the university. To begin, once your resume has been received and we have verified your credentials in accordance with CSWE accreditation standards, the field team will activate your IPT account. Next, you will receive an email with instructions for first-time logging in. This email will have a link to the website and include the organization ID, ASUSW, a randomly generated username, and default password. When you first log into IPT using your default password, you are required to set a new username and unique password. This is the case with every account and helps ensure the security of the system. Once you have successfully entered the data and are in the system, you will be prompted to create a new username and password. These are case sensitive. Choose a username and password that will be easy for you to remember. If you have trouble logging in, please contact me at 602-496-1289 or elizabeth.hayward@asu.edu. You can access IPT anytime at www.runipt.com. Bookmarking this page is helpful as you will be needing to access the system for use throughout your students' placements. For security reasons, we cannot retrieve your username or password, but there is a method for you to reset it yourself. If you forget either, click the Forgot Your Username or Password link at the bottom of the login page at www.runipt.com. You will be prompted to enter three things. One, organization ID, which is ASUSW, all lowercase. For user type, you're going to select from the pull-down menu, Field Instructor/Supervisor, and then your email address. A link to reset your password will be emailed to you. Remember, IPT uses your email that you've provided to the field office. Be sure to check that email account for notices. After logging in, you will be brought to your home page. This is the starting point for accessing the information and functions of the Intern Placement Tracking System. Your name should appear in the upper blue section of the screen. On the left-hand side of the home page, there are four functions. One, My Forms. Here you can view a list of all the online forms or documents that are scheduled or that you have completed. From this list, you can select to individually view any of these forms. 2. Send group emails. IPT does have an email function that allows users to send messages out to multiple recipients. Although most IPT users prefer to use their own email platforms for ease of use and to ensure tracking. 3. Change email and phone. Opens a page allowing you to enter a new email and/or phone number. 4. Change password. Allows you to change your password easily. You will also see 2 or 3 tabs. Number 1, the first tab is the Home tab, which returns you to that IPT homepage. Number 2 is the Field Instructor Detail tab. That opens up a page that lets you view and update your current information in the database. 3, if you're the contact person for the agency Detail tab will open a page allowing you to view and update information about your agency. If you are a field instructor for more than one agency or have students at multiple sites for one agency, you will have separate IPT accounts for each location. These accounts can all be linked, allowing access from a single login. You will be able to obtain information and complete forms by using the drop-down in Account, Supervisor, Field Instructor to select which account you want to work in. Please let me know if you have any accounts that need to be linked or you can't access an account. The Field Instructor Detail page provides the ASU Social Work Field Education team with your contact information. While your name and email will already be entered, please go through the information to ensure all the fields are correct and up to date. Your resume will be uploaded, and there is a link to upload a current photo. The picture needs to be in JPEG format and less than 100 megabytes in size to be uploaded correctly. Additionally, this page allows you to view your assigned students. At the bottom of the Field Instructor Detail page, you will see a section with internship assignments. Click on the blue View link to see information about your student. You will open the Student Detail page with the student contact information, resume, picture, and field assignment. If you are the point of contact for your agency, you will have access to the Agency Detail page. You can access the Agency Detail page through the tab below the blue title bar. The page will have information filled in. It's your responsibility to confirm that all of the data is up to date and accurate. As students use the IPT system to search for potential internship opportunities, it is important to ensure that it reflects the experience that you will be providing and the expectations you will have for your students. To target the number of students and level of students for internships available, complete the Specified Number of Student Placement Available section. There, you can indicate opportunities for BSW, MSW Foundation, and/or MSW concentration year students. If you have any questions about which level the program aligns with your learning opportunities, you can review the corresponding learning contracts at our website, socialwork.asu.edu, Field Education Important Documents, and/or contact the Field Education team. Agency pages in IPT have a field specifically for internship status. This is a sort field that identifies if an agency has available internships, is not accepting interns, or it is undetermined at this time. Field instructors are encouraged to update this as often as they can. Your students will be able to see you as their assigned field instructor under their field assignments on the detail page. If there are any errors or if you have a student that is not showing the correct information, please let us know. On the left-hand side of your home page, parentheses around a number next to the My Forms link indicates the number of forms waiting to be completed. There are two ways to access a form. One is to select through that My Forms link from your home page. The second is in the upper left-hand section of your Field Instructor Detail page. Once field instruction has begun, the proper learning contract form will be loaded to each student page for access. The learning contract is completed on the IPT system by the student with the field instructor's assistance. The mid-semester report is completed by the field instructor and reviewed by the field liaison, and then signed by the student, field instructor, and field liaison. Student performance evaluations are completed by the field instructor on the IPT system, then reviewed with the student and field liaison. An email notification will be sent to you with the due date and instructions when an IPT form is available for you. In the forms list, you will see a listing of each form assigned. You will want to pay close attention to the following sections: status, signed, waiting for, scheduled date, and due date. Selecting the View link on the left side of the page opens the form and allows you to enter data. Save periodically as you work. Any changes you made are lost if the page is closed without saving. When finished editing the form, click Save, then Close. Form must be completed and signed online by the due date. At the end of documents is a signature section. It is essential to sign the completed and reviewed forms. Select the Click to Sign Completed Document link. This will open up a signature box. Typing in your name will result in your electronic signature. Please remember, IPT email messages may end up in the junk email folder or trash. Be sure to check your folders and set filters to avoid missing any messages sent from IPT. Save often. If you forget and leave the page, any changes you made are lost. Do you have questions on IPT? If you have any questions or should you find you run into any roadblocks, the field education team is here to help. We're comprised of dedicated professionals. You can contact us at the phone numbers and email addresses listed. Thank you.